Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily install Google Chrome on your Android phone. So for doing this you just need to open Play Store, and in Play Store you just need to write in search tab. So just go back, go to search tab and just write in search tab here Google. Chrome. So here you can see that I successfully installed it on my phone, because on Android devices mostly it's installed by default, but also if you haven't it, you just click on here to install it, and also you can see here if you have updates, you will see here button with update, and it will check for updates and just update your Google Chrome. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.